topic is how to remove negative seller feedback from seller panel. Sometimes customers give us negative seller feedback on our seller panel due to a bad customer experience for whatever reason. Firstly, let us discuss the criteria to remove negative seller feedback. Number 1. The feedback includes obscene language. You can remove such feedback by giving its main reason. Number 2. The feedback includes seller-specific, personally identifiable information. For example, contact number, email, or location. You are able to remove such feedback. Number 3. The entire feedback comment is a product review. 90% frustrated customer did so. These feedback can also be removed. Number 4. The entire feedback comment is regarding fulfillment or customer service for an order fulfillment by Amazon. It's mean if a FBA product got negative seller feedback due to any reason, then Amazon did not consider it and remove it from seller store. But sometime due to any glitch in Amazon automatic system unable to remove that feedback. So you can claim to Amazon to remove that particular feedback. For claiming, follow these steps. Go in help section. Go in get support. Then click on other customer and order issue. Here you can type order number of that seller feed and mention your issue regarding to that feedback. You can ask Amazon that it is not a feedback, but a customer review, and as per your policy it should not be placed here, it should be in product review. Amazon would definitely consider it and remove it from back end. If you find it informative, then share it with others.